Morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Lolo. Lolo, the boyotissimo. I just buy what I need to cook today for my meal. I need to wait for the fish because I leave them clean. I'm gonna cook fish with soup. Anyway, I need to get egg. Here's the egg here. I buy fruits also for kids in school. Happy Monday again. Let's see out of this info today. And we're going back to school. The kids have school already. Simbrick is done. They're cleaning down. They're cleaning. I need to get egg. Where is the egg? Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to leave a comment and suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe and to where is the egg? We don't have it in the house anymore. Bye guys.